This is not the story of an ordinary man, but the story of a hero who transforms lives. I was bedridden for 3 months. Now, my legs are moving, even if slowly. All because of him. A hand that helps you rediscover hope, that is a physiotherapist. Physiotherapy? Like other traditional treatments, it's all fake recognition. Just drama. Every child's first step is the true victory of therapy. I never imagined he would walk, but today, my son walked. My job is not just to awaken sleeping nerves, it is to awaken life itself. In this world, one helping hand can comfort millions of lives. We misunderstood them. The heroes we needed were always right beside us.